So let's continue expanding your knowledge with sprechen and all of its forms in the present tense. So in this lesson we're going to look at how you say you speak, plural. That means when you're addressing two or more people. So imagine the situation, you are staring at 2 or 3 or 4 or more people. It's an informal situation, which means you know these people well, and you want to say you speak. You wouldn't use Sie if you know them well. You wouldn't say Sie sprechen. So in this case, you would use the subject pronoun ihr. Ihr means you. It's plural, meaning addressing more than one person, and it's informal. You use this with people that you know well, like friends or family members. So to say you speak, you would say ihr sprecht. Ihr sprecht. Notice the form sprecht. Ihr sprecht. So you speak, ihr sprecht. You speak, ihr sprecht. You speak, ihr sprecht. So suppose you want to ask all of your friends or your family members, do you speak? Remember, plural, addressing more than one person. Informal, people you know well. So do you speak? That would be in German. Sprecht ihr. Remember, we just reverse the subject and the verb form. We reverse the word order. Sprecht ihr. Sprecht ihr. Do you speak? Sprecht ihr. Do you speak? Sprecht ihr. Do you speak? Sprecht ihr. Sprecht ihr. English? 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 German? Deutsch? German? Deutsch? So now let's review and practice with some of the languages that we learned in the last lesson. So you speak, remember plural, informal. Ihr sprecht. Ihr sprecht. Do you speak? Sprecht ihr. Russisch, Niederländisch, Norwegisch, Arabisch, Japanisch, Chinesisch. So you want to ask your friends, do you speak Russian? Sprecht ihr Russisch? Do you speak Dutch? Sprecht ihr Niederländisch? Do you speak Norwegian? Sprecht ihr Norwegisch? Do you speak Arabic? Sprecht ihr Arabisch? Do you speak Japanese? Sprecht ihr Japanisch? Do you speak Chinese? Sprecht ihr Chinesisch? All right, to continue on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on the screen, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.